thought since it's officially summer now that it would be perfect to film kind of a corally peachy look. This is the first time I'm doing a coral look in a really long time. I think it's been a couple of years, so it was kind of nice to go back into using some of my older palettes. Yeah, if you guys want to know how to do this makeup look, just keep watching. I've already done my base, so I'm just gonna go straight into my eye makeup. Today I want to do kind of a corally look, so I'm going to be using this 𝗀𝗱𝗶𝗹 palette from 𝗃𝐶e. So I'm actually gonna apply this a little orange beige color all over my lid as a base. Now I'm gonna go in with this peach color with the same brush, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Now if you only use this type of coral pinkish color, it can make your eyes look very tired or swollen, so we are going to be using some brown as well. But actually before that, I am going to put a bit of coral on my under eyes right here. Now I'm going to go back in with the 𝗺𝗂𝗶𝗹 palette. I'm going to take a bit of a flatter brush and use this brown color, and I'm going to start at the fronts. And then also line my lash line with it. This is going to add more dimension to your eye look. I'm also going to bring that same brown shadow into my eye corners right here. Now I'm going to use the same brush and this dark brown shadow and just go in at the ends of my eyes. I'm kind of using this to create an eyeliner effect. And also very lightly at the front. And then using my finger, I'm going to pat this shimmer color into the center of my eyes. Now I'm going to be using a crayon pencil, and I'm going to line the under lash line. And I'm also going to use this to darken my eyeliner. But I really want a blended eyeliner look, so I'm going to go very light. And I'm also just gonna go under my eyes. Now I'm gonna use an angled brush in the same dark brown color, and I am going to sharpen my inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with the 𝗀𝐻𝐸 maker. Draw my 𝗀𝐻𝐸. Lighten it with concealer. And I'm going to use this color to go over the concealer. I just think it's a nice pinkish beige color that makes it look a little more natural. Now I'm taking this thin flat brush and I'm going to be applying this gold shade to my 𝗀𝐻𝐸. I'm going to apply it very lightly. for my lashes, I'm gonna use my favorite Ms. Arn lashes. And then I'm gonna do my brows, and I want to keep the youthful look, so I'm still gonna do the light brows that I always do. Following my natural brow shape. Now for my blush, I'm going to do a mix of these two colors, and applying this one first. I'm going to apply it kind of this way. And then with this darker color, I'm going to apply it at the center, kind of right under my eye. Applying a bit of the blush on my brow bone. I'm going to use this same gold color from a highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the Dior Lip Glow. And then I'm gonna use the same brown from earlier and lift my inner corners so that my lips look more pouty. And once you do that, that is it for this look.